And so it begins.
Because he could get stuck. Yeah. Because traffic is supposed to be off the road.
Now.
Are you? Isn't she cute? Vera! Vivi having fun? Vera having fun?
Yes, it was.
Vivi.
Vera, did you have fun?
Wow.
Doesn't that mean it's slowing down?
Not that I'm aware of. This stuff is crazy. Snow drifts. That's going to be fun. Some places it's much higher than others. Such as right there, you can see the bushes uncovered. The snow right next to it is almost as high. That's got to be about 2.5 feet right there. So now we're preparing to take Vera for her walk. See how attentive and polite she is when she waits for the leash. I still have to get my boots on, but I've asked Diana to open the door so we can see what happens. The drift look really high outside.
You think I should put a sweater on her?
Probably not, but you might want to. I mean, I'm not all that logical when it comes to this stuff.
Look at.
I can't get a shot of it yet.
Stay, Vera.
Oh yeah, look at that. And it's even formed to the door.
Isn't that cool?
That's trippy.
All right, let me find her leash. She needs her lock. Charge!
She goes to the shortest path and leaps over it. What a girl.
She's right. Wow.
Oh! Yeah, that's kind of deep, huh?
Easily 2 feet.
Yeah, that's at least 2 feet.
Vera.
Oh, Vivi, the middle of the road. This is our poor neighbor. That is not a 2-foot tall fence entry. That is normally about 3.5 feet. And it is covered with snowdrift. Go!
So,
This is the same street we were walking last night. And that's Diana looking all pretty.
hi.
So this is our neighborhood. And as you can see, the drifts vary. This is where they've plowed, but take that truck over there. It kind of looks like a caravan the way it's been covered. And as you can probably see, it's still snowing. And that's actually our house from the side that I've been shooting through this whole video.
Look at the roof on this side.
Yeah, the roof is almost bare on this side, as you can see. Yet on the other side, it's a 2 or 3 foot drift on top. So it's very inconsistent, very hard to read the land, so to speak. When we came out, we must have gone through 2.5 feet of snow, maybe close to 3. We'll take her through the side where we didn't go. Like right here. Or maybe right where the... Yeah, right there. Why not? Yeah.
Go on, Vera.
It's like a car with no traction.
Can you get her? You gotta walk over it.
Come here, Vivi.
Where's Daddy? Where's the Daddy?
Come here, girl.
Are you fun?
Hi, baby.
What's that? What's that snow? What's that snow?
Come on, girl.
Come on, Vera.
She's not interested in going the way I am. I am up to my knees, and I am actually elevated. This is at least 3 feet. Because I'm not hitting ground.
Yeah, I know. Me neither.
This is my truck. There's wood back here. Vivi!